So how could you create your own dances? By using gravity and friction, right? So let's talk about gravity. I'm gonna give you a directive. Let's use gravity off of 2 feet and then 1 foot. How would we do that? What does that look like? And 2 feet, and 1 foot. Hey, and 2 feet, and 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. Gravity, push the earth, push the earth, push the earth, push the earth. Gravity, friction, 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 friction. Hey, I encourage you all to create your own dances at home. Hey, hey, ha, hey. Okay.